Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix arrow keys on your keyboard not working when you are use the Microsoft Excel. So for example, let's open the blank workbook for practice. So I'm using mouse now and try to use the arrow keys. As you can see, my arrow key is working perfectly. So if you encounter when you are moved the arrow key is not working, or when you move the arrow keys it's become like this, just move the slide like mouse like this. You can move to another column. So here I got stuck. So how you can fix this? You can try to use on-screen keyboard here and try to disable scroll lock. And here we go. Now the arrow key is working perfectly. And to disable this, you can return to on-screen keyboard and click on scroll lock. And now you cannot use the arrow key anymore. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.